Good afternoon. I hope you are all well and continuing to stay safe. Welcome to our fourth advice clinic since lockdown. We're all overwhelmed with positivity from how they are helping you. We're still working from home and trying our best to help you all. First of all, this week, I want to explain our mortgage process, which is quite simple and straightforward, but achieves a great end result for our clients. Typically, and under normal circumstances, you remember that time before coronavirus, we were all in the office and working closely together. The mortgage team is small but very effective. Quality, not quantity. We help clients, old and new, who are either looking to purchase a new home, purchase a buy-to-let, buy their council house, or even remortgage for any reason. You would initially be seen by me, and I will ask questions about your personal circumstances, your employment, your income, your outgoings, and your future plans. As mentioned previously, I will then research the whole of the market. This means looking at every lender, unlike, for example, Halifax or Santander, who can only offer their own products. We will discuss your mortgage needs, the term, lenders, products, whether fixed, tracker, discount, or any other relevant criteria. I will then match your criteria with the best mortgage for your circumstances and will make a recommendation to you. Once this is agreed, we will make an application to the lender and provide them with everything they need to support the application. Teresa, my personal assistant, is fantastic with clients and always goes the extra mile, even if you prefer negotiating your purchase price with the estate agent on your behalf. She will process all your documents, liaise with the lender and solicitor, and keep in touch and update you throughout the whole process. Our aim is to make sure we get you the keys to your new home or finalise your remortgage as smoothly and as quickly as possible. At the end of the mortgage term, it will be at 2, 3, 5 years. Because of the excellent diary system we have, we will contact you 3 to 4 months beforehand to discuss remortgaging or renewing the product. Teresa at that time will drop you an email or give you a call to start that process. We can then establish your current circumstances, which have sometimes changed since we last saw you. Weddings, divorces, new babies, etc. We love to hear about all your latest news. Once we have your current information, we are all then best placed to provide the correct advice on your options. Teresa is now assisted by our new business apprentice, Brooke, who is showing a huge amount of promise for such a young lady, having come to us straight from school. Vivian, my sister, handles all behind the scenes paperwork to keep the ship afloat. She keeps us all on our toes and makes sure we're all following the guidelines set out by our regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority. We are always on hand at any time to answer any questions or queries about your current mortgage, protection or insurance matter. Even in these trying times, we're all working hard to maintain our level of service and provide the best advice we possibly can. Once again, we had several questions this week via email and messenger, and we have answered them all directly. However, if any one of you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to make contact. I now want to tell you about a couple of major savings we have made for our clients over the last few weeks. It was so refreshing last week to receive a message from a client after last week's clinic. She'd been watching on her iPad in the garden with a G&T. Lucky her. Her house insurance was due for renewal, and for the last 5 years since buying her property had been with her own bank. The renewal had gone up and up every year, and this year was coming in at over £700. So I got Michael straight on the case, and within 15 minutes he'd made contact, obtained the details so he could offer a like-for-like policy and was able to quote a premium of £368. Needless to say, she was overjoyed and probably celebrated with another G&T. We have another client who has a number of buy-to-let mortgages. For a long time they've been saying to me, I must look at these and see if there is anything you can do to reduce my monthly payments. Now, with time on their hands, they have given me the details, and up to date on just 4 of their properties, we have saved them a massive £328 per month. I'm sure you'll all agree it's a huge saving. Another client whose mortgage I was dealing with recently gave us the opportunity to quote for his buildings and contents insurance. Again, he'd always been with his own bank and just continued to let the policy renew year after year. This year's premium was a huge £1,300. He does have a nice house, mind. As we said, Michael loves a challenge and studied the policy detail to enable him to get a like-for-like quote and managed to get the premium to £634. Who doesn't want this type of saving? A member of Olivia's family gave her the chance to quote for their home insurance, which their current insurer was just over £300. She managed to get this down to £168. 2 new clients had car insurance renewals from their existing insurers. One renewal was £399 and we managed to get this down to £280. The other renewal was £418 and we managed to do this for £300. We all have a little bit more time on our hands at present to assess our finances, so isn't it worth a phone call or an email to see how much we can save you? If we can help in any way, please get in touch. You can contact us on 01388 766 300, direct messenger through Facebook, or simply email mortgages@maps.org.uk. Thanks again for joining me today. Have a great weekend. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.